According to the World Health Organization, WHO, some of the major dietary risk factors associated with cancer include excessive consumption of processed foods, red meat, and foods high in fat and sugar. Fast food, fast and convenient foods such as hamburgers, fries, and pizza are extremely popular. Sodas and sugary beverages, sodas, juices and other sugary beverages are consumed in large quantities. Snacks, cookies, crackers, chocolates and other types of snacks are also widely consumed in the world. Processed meats, foods like bacon, hot dogs, sausages, and ham are examples of processed meats that are widely consumed in the United States. Canned foods such as soups, canned vegetables, and fruits are also very popular in the United States. While these foods are convenient and tasty, they often contain high amounts of sugar, saturated fat, and sodium, which can lead to long-term health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Therefore, it is important to consume these foods in moderation and prioritize a balanced and healthy diet. The consumption of food in the form of vitamins has helped many people to live without illness and be happier, in addition to being much more beautiful. Meet our 21-day program that will make you born again. Link in description.